Welcome to the garage, everyone. We're back today with another install, which is a necessity because I broke something. And I'm really starting to think that most of these installs are coming from me breaking things. But that's how we're going to learn. Another thing that we're going to install is I repainted that to match the rest of the stuff in the car. So this will now match the same color as all of this. So if you have a focus, you know how this goes in. If you don't have a focus, that's how that goes in. But now, all of that matches. So what we're doing today is, I bought a new one of those, and I broke the green part. And that was my little extra to throw some extra color in there. But unfortunately, I broke it, so we're going to change it. So I went online, I ordered up the new piece that the hood latch attaches to, and really cool is it came with a new cable because mine was sort of broken. I had broke that. But we bought a billet aluminum Steeda hood latch. I got it in plain silver so that I could put something on here. But to install this, it's very easy. We're going to try to do it with one hand. You slide through, it hooks on, you put the snap ring on, which is right there. So we're going to do that, then we're going to install our cable, and I'll show you how to get to that. Alright, we got this on. You can get it on without a snap ring tool, but I would prefer you have one. So what we're going to do now is we're going to put our cable on, and we got to take the old one off. So normally if you want to take this off, it's really easy. Unscrew this bolt, maybe pop this one off just enough so you get your hands down in there, and there's some little like plastic push pieces. You just pinch them in and it pops off. Fortunately for me, mine's broken, so it just comes right off. Gotta get our cable out of there, which one-handed is terrible. So we're just gonna take the whole cable out because it's gotta come with us. Alright, so you just pry that out of there. So this is what I originally had planned, was I was going to do silver and green, and then unfortunately whatever this paint was, it didn't work. It came out powdery. It was kind of cool. I liked the lime green part of it. But I found this paint, which I thought went a little better with what I was going with. I didn't want anything other than silver and red in the engine bay, but it was getting a little too much. So I used a little bit of green. I'm sorry if it's dark in here. It's the only window next to me. But I added a little bit of green there so that it matched up. And then the install for this, it's very easy. You really just got to push it in there. So I'm going to be careful not to ruin the paint. And then we're going to install our cables. I'll set you guys down, I'll put the cable on, and then we'll just do a little overview of everything that's in here. Alright, cable's all installed. It's a little stiff because I left it out in the garage and it's getting cold out. But it's a very self-explanatory install. Make sure we get it on here. It's either going to fit in this clip or this clip, either one. And then just make sure it works so that you don't lock yourself out of your hood. But this is what we have so far. I bought a new one of those so I can redo it. It's getting a little, I don't know. I screwed something up. And it's the wrong clear coat. So I bought a new one. Unfortunately, it was cracked. Big hole right here. So I might have to sand this one down, get a new vinyl. We'll redo that. Got our CPE air intake. I painted these two charge pipes here. They left a little boo-boo. We repainted that to match. We got our Hoonigan oil cap. I want to order another one of these. Is what we have next. I want to get the Mishimoto red tank so it'll match everything else. We painted this red. We're going to put a red ST logo here. I wanted to buy the engraved one, but it was $65. Non-engraved was only $50. So I figured I could put my own vinyl on there, and everything works great. That's all we have. Hopefully we got some more stuff coming up next. It is getting a little cold out, but we can still do some stuff in the garage as long as it's not too dark in here. But stick around, we'll do some more installs. I'll see you in the next video.